What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? I know it's been about like probably almost 2 weeks or maybe 2 weeks, but so the weather was really shitty. It was really cold. There was a few days. There was about like 2-3 days that it was good outside, but on those days, one of the days I worked, and then the other days I had a really bad stomach virus and a cold. So I couldn't really do anything. I missed work. I missed work. I was at home sick. I had it. My daughter had it. My girlfriend's little brother had it. So everybody in the house had it. And there's just been a lot of shit going on right now. So right now is a Saturday. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm headed to my dad's job right now. And we're going to be taking on the transmission and installing the clutch. So yeah, sorry guys for the, I guess, like week and a half wait of no vlog. It's just weather was like zero. It was like literally like feeling like it was saying that it was feeling like -2, and then with me having a cold, I still have a little bit of a cold, and then with me having a stomach virus and my daughter having a stomach virus, I missed 2 days of work. So it's been a lot going on. So I actually have a vlog that I didn't put out because it was a short vlog, so put that out maybe like another day. But hopefully this video it's good and you guys will be entertained by it. So yeah, the Civic is across the street, looking all nice and purple. Got her warming up. Yeah, we're gonna head to my dad's job right now. Alright, so just got to my dad's job. I'm actually just gonna work a lot and then show you guys what I do after, because I don't want to be sitting here going back and forth. That's how it takes super long, and yeah, I don't want to be here forever doing this. So got the car right here. I'm gonna put it on the stands, and yeah, gonna start taking off. I'm gonna drain the oil, take off the slave cylinder, the starter, the ground to the transmission, to the chassis, all the other stuff that's around it. Disconnect the speed sensor, the reverse switch on the transmission. Then I gotta take out both axles, little ball joint, and yeah, should be good. So let's get to it, guys. Alright, so let me show you guys how far I've got. I got everything taken out. I just gotta take off the switch, the reverse switch. I gotta take off the slave, and everything else has been taken out. Well, I haven't taken off the wheels and everything yet, but I'm just taking off everything on the transmission so I can lower it, take the wheels out, lower ball joint, pull out the axle, stuff like that. Oh, I wasn't even pointing on myself, but yeah. So I'm just gonna be working, and as I go, I'm just gonna update you guys. I don't want to waste no time. Get this out the way. So let's continue, guys. My dad's got here right now. Some yellow rice with some penne, coconut juice. Yeah, so I took the slave off. Now I gotta take off this. I gotta take off the signal, the reverse signal, but it started leaking, so I need this right here. Let me pick up the car. Grande. Where's the thing at? Right? The closest auto parts store. out. Boy Derek came, Julio came, boy Jonathan over here recording. We got everything out. Huh? No, you push it up one right here.
Yeah, because once we take out this mount, the motor's gonna lean. It's gonna lean down. So.
Go ahead. A little more. More. Keep going. Ash, let's do your thing. We're just gonna have to
Go higher with the car, so I can just so that shit's gonna have
just
to
a little bit
on top of the trailer.
Right there should be good. You just gotta grab it from one side. Oh wait. Oh, this is disconnected, right? Yeah. Okay, good.
Is that the way, right?
Yeah. Do it from the top.
It's already holding on to the thing.
Pull it.
Wait, hold on, because it's not even on the thing.
Don't worry about that. That's still gonna hold it. No, it's out, but you just gotta move it out from the spline.
It's this part right here too. We took that over. We took it just like that. Yo, we took it just like
rusty,
that.
Nigga. Look at that. It's got mad clutch dust on it.
How bad is it? Jesus Christ. That's it. It was no metal left.
Bro, it's eating the screws.
Look at the spring
thing. Look at this. Look.
Oh my God.
You'd have drove this a little longer. It would have probably popped out of the chamber.
Yo, Julio, what do you think about that? Well, look at this. Gone. Alright, so we gotta go to full throttle because apparently all the parts over here don't have anything. And the clutch on my car was completely toasted. So I'm just gonna buy the throwout bearing just to play it safe because I'm gonna change everything. But that clutch setup in my car was terrible. Julio, how bad was that the whole clutch setup?
Nah, that shit was horrible.
It was bad, but we got it used though. We got it used. We didn't. That clutch is not brand new. That clutch was from another car. We had a clutch, stock one, and I think it didn't work. We got that one off of another car. Are we gonna ask Derek? Yo, Derek, how bad was that clutch?
It was pretty bad. I had a few miles left.
Yeah, I think if you
Few
do
miles.
One good hard pull all the way to like fifth, that shit would have just got destroyed.
Well, on our way to get a throwout bearing. All right, which way we go? This way or this? Ooh! Oh. All right, we just got back from getting the throwout bearing. Ladies first, huh? Got the throwout bearing. Look at that. That's what I like to see. You see that? Straight to work. Look, he's drinking a coffee. Straight to work.
I think I'm gonna be on that baby shark.
All right, so back to work. All right, so these guys
All you need is like a
making me
brush.
clean. Look at this. All right, here. Well, I got this. I think I have another
You don't got
brush.
a wire brush?
Yeah, I'm gonna check right now. But look how dirty
You have like a
the inside of the transmission
nice
is.
wire brush would be good.
Let me see. So the transmission's all cleaned up. Messed up all these bed sheets.
It doesn't have that little washer.
Just wash the lips like that.
So putting the flyway on. Yo, let's put a lot on there.
Is it even open?
Yeah, you gotta like push down.
It's clear.
Clear Loctite. Wow.
Take the little piece off.
We need red.
I've never seen clear before.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, Julio's just tying up with the app. We're gonna use fresh. We're gonna use a torque one.
Get it. Last one.
This is messed up.
Yeah, it was getting burnt from that, dude.
Burning like
This is at least.
Dang.
How much difference is you think this is, Derek?
Told you, that's like 15 pounds, and this one's probably like 8 pounds.
Dude, this shit is heavy. Shout out to my dude Julio. Torquing it to 76, I believe so. Should we do like 80?
You can do whatever you want with your car.
I'm giving it a little
You
extra.
gotta give it a little oomph.
Shout out to my dude TSX Andy. Sending out the spline tool. Almost good to go. Yeah, you want to hold it with my hand and you just take my hand.
We don't need this here when we put the training on, right?
Just make sure you cut that one off. So the spring hooks in his rings.
We just take out the ball, right?
You gotta drill this out. Right in here.
Sure.
What are we going for?
Oh,
Oh,
We went for 12. We went for Derek.
I look, bro. I can't find
He
it.
didn't even say that. He just said.
You dead didn't see me over there. I was just.
Now the 12 was. We just had the 12. Didn't we just have the 12? Yeah, he did.
Sometimes I'm looking for a tool in the shop that actually get this.
That's a fact, man.
And it'd be a tool you just did as used.
You just stay here right here like this, man. Long.
With these lists, boy, I be watching videos when a nigga dropped the Escalade on him.
What he did, Derek?
With a Rolls Royce?
My man was just trying to pull the Rolls Royce back now.
He was dead.
held on
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
shit, nigga, like a cock.
The Rolls Royce landed right upon his head.
This nigga Derek Wild.
Oh, hold on, where we go? We don't need to gotta put the.
Oh, shit.
It's all.
Yo, look.
I was just saying that. Look, I just said you need grease though. You got grease?
Oh shit. My
Very
dad's
grease?
definitely right. Julio, we about to put this shit on with nothing, bro. Look. What a fucking mechanic.
No
man.
4K.
I've been there, done that before. I did it with my car, with the race car. I put the whole transmission up. And I went to go put the little thing. I was like, yo, where's the fork at? I was like, wow. I had to take everything back out.
Damn. Sure I got.
I hope you got insurance. That shit was right over my foot already.
Man, look at that big boy. That's why you invite the big boys over.
Go ahead, we go.
Yeah, pick it up and I'll guide it in.
Oh wait. Yeah,
Make sure the hold on. It's not in. Look at that. All right, so it's been
what you doing?
20 minutes or so, not even 15. So we got the transmission up, and yeah, right here we have the turbo with the blower valve, and yeah, this is a Skyline. Alright, so everything is good. Everything is tight on the bottom. They're doing a top, putting the axle nuts on, and yeah, we just gotta do the starter, put the piping back on. Yeah, we should be good. So hopefully everything is good. Alright, so everything is plugged in to the speed sensor to put some training fluid in, but we're gonna change hose to the head that goes to the heater core. We're gonna change that out because it's Julio found that it was leaking, so we're gonna change that out real quick. And yeah, hopefully it's good.
Hopefully it's still protect.
Take a smoke a blunt.
Yeah, everything's
that
good.
on your
Hopefully.
Put that on your
Making sure that window clean. Look at that. Alright, so coolant's being bled. I think we're good to go. Temp right now is 178. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Well guys, the clutch is in, and literally all I can say is that this car now is gonna be at its full like 300 potential. Before when you guys used to see me do a pull, like the car was not grabbing at all. Now the car is literally grabbing like right away, so I have to get used to it still, but the car feels so freaking good. It's like a good feeling. Let me show you guys. Like I still have to get used to it, but it grabs, like you see that, like it grabs so much faster and so much better now. So it's gonna take me a little bit to get used to it, but I can't wait. So I'm not gonna really do too much to it yet because I have to let the pad get the groove of the pressure plate and the flywheel. So I'm not really gonna be doing too much. I'm just gonna be letting it get the grooves of it, and it had a little bit of light rust on it from the water. So I'm just gonna be cruising, nothing crazy, because I'm gonna let it break in a little bit. Car's feeling amazing. Now she's gripping. Now she's gripping.